Namaste and welcome, dear 12th grade students, to Unit 2 of our food production book. Today we're diving into the delectable realm of Indian snacks, where every bite tells a story of tradition, flavor, and innovation. So get ready to tantalize your taste buds and expand your culinary horizons as we delve into the world of Indian snacks. So without further ado, let's embark on this delicious journey together and discover the flavors that make India unique. Definition of snacks. Snacks are foods typically consumed between meals, smaller in portion size compared to main meals. Variety of forms. Snacks can be homemade, bought from vendors or shops, or packaged, for example, chips, wafers, etc. Significance in Indian culture. Offering snacks to guests with tea or coffee is a hospitable gesture in Indian culture. Impact of globalization. Globalization has introduced various foreign snacks to Indian markets, while traditional Indian snacks remain popular among different states of India. Ingredients used in Indian snacks: flour, refined flour, wheat flour, rice flour, gram flour, etc. Pulses, green gram, black gram, etc. Vegetables, potato, onion, brinjals, green chilies, etc. Flavoring agents: coconut, tamarind, kokum, etc. Spices, condiments, salt, chili powder, turmeric, etc. Nuts, peanuts, cashews, etc. Cooking methods: frying, deep frying, shallow frying, steaming, cooking with steam, roasting, dry heating in an oven or over a flame, sauteing, cooking with a small amount of oil over high heat, griddling, cooking on a hot surface like a griddle or pan. Regional classification: North Zone. Regional classification: South Zone. Regional classification: East Zone. Regional classification: West Zone. As we conclude our exploration of Indian snacks, I hope you've enjoyed this flavorful journey as much as I have. If you found this video informative and mouth-watering, don't forget to hit the like button below. Share this video with your fellow students of food production subject, and for more informative content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy snacking and thank you for watching.